Contribution of services in total GDP of a country is increasing, and so is the share of trade of services in global trade. To understand trade in services, we also should know what are the various modes for trade in services. This video will help you in understanding about various modes of services as per Agreement on GATS. Trade in services takes place when there is an exchange of an intangible product, that is, a service between a consumer and a producer. When the producers and consumers are based in two different countries or economies, then it is known as international trade in services. Large number of activities ranging from the most complicated information technology to simple services like that of a beautician or driver are part of services sector. In today's world, tourism, education, healthcare, construction, consultancy, financial services, transportation, etc. are some of the services traded globally. One of the characteristics of services is that unlike goods, it's a non-perishable, intangible, and invisible. And at times, it is important that service delivery and consumption should take place at the same time. Thus, due to need for simultaneous production and consumption of services, it is essential for either service provider or consumer to move to the market where service can be delivered or consumed. For trade in goods, we simply assume that the export and import happens when goods leave or enter national boundaries. We cannot apply same definition for trade in services because we have movement of people from one country to another, and there are cases where production and consumption of services takes place in the same country. For example, if a tourist from US who is a service consumer is visiting India, which is a service provider, then production and consumption of services is happening in the same country. Similarly, if a professor from Australia is taking classes for a business school in South Africa, then also production and consumption of services are in the same country. Similarly, if Indian IT professionals are providing IT solutions to companies in US, then also trade is happening while the service provider and consumer are in their respective countries. Therefore, trade in services is determined on the basis of definition provided in General Agreement on Trade in Services or GATS. According to the agreement, international trade in services is classified in 4 modes depending upon the location of the service provider and consumer. Mode 1 is cross-border trade, Mode 2 is consumption abroad, Mode 3 is commercial presence, and Mode 4 is presence of natural person. In subsequent slide, we'll try and understand each of these modes. When a service is delivered from the territory of one country into the territory of another country, it is known as cross-border trade. For example, IT services and business process outsourcing, where the consumer and service provider can exchange the services without leaving their country, is Mode 1, also known as cross-border trade. It is important to note that both the service provider and service consumers are in their own countries. When the consumer of one country has to move to another country to avail the services, it is known as consumption abroad. Tourism and medical tourism are examples of consumption abroad, where the consumer has to visit another country to consume the services. When the service provider crosses the border to provide its services in foreign country, it is known as commercial presence. For example, branches of foreign bank operating in India to provide their services. Disneyland in Hong Kong is another example of commercial presence. In case of Mode 3, service provider has presence in the country of service consumer. In case of Mode 4, the service supplier of one country moves to the foreign country to render the services through the presence of natural person. For example, doctors, engineers, consultant, fashion designer, etc. move to another country temporarily to provide the services. Therefore, in Mode 4, service provider has presence in the country of the service consumer. I hope this video helped you in understanding various modes of services. Keep tuned for various other interesting videos in the area of international business. For any further query, you can reach to me at alkamya@gmail.com. Thank you once again.